In this tutorial, let's learn how to add elements on your videos in Filmora 9, and how to control that element once it's added. In Filmora 9, Elements tab is one of 7 main important categories. You can find this tab on top of the editing window. This Elements tab contains a large number of elements which you can easily overlay on your video by drag and drop action. There are built-in element category, which is right inside the installation package of the program, and downloaded elements which you can get from Filmstocks, an online footage library of Wondershare. This is a subscription service, and helpful for creators who want to buy more video effect, or templates for their project. In order to overlay an element on your video, you can click this little plus icon at the center of the thumbnail. You can also double-click on the thumbnail to preview it before adding to your project. If you have some common use elements, you can add your elements to this favorite folder by hitting the heart icon on the thumbnail too. Let's drop an element on top of the video to show you how to control it now. Now you can double-click on the element box to have more control of the element. Filmora 9 considers an element similar to a video clip, meaning that you can control it exactly the same way you can do with a video clip on the timeline. You can transform your clip, select a blending mode, and adjust the opacity of the clip, or apply green screen effect, video effect if you want. There are many creative ways you can do with overlay elements in Filmora 9. But, the basic steps are adding an element on top of the video track, adjust its size and position on preview window, change the color of the element, and add a motion for it. It's all up to your creativity to decide when and how to use it. That's all I want to show you in this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.